This is a review of these plastic glove clips. They have a nice action overall. These are just two-stepped kind of teeth that interlock, so they're not overly aggressive. They won't chew up your gloves too much. These are just some natural coated work gloves. They're pretty standard fare. Holds them very, very well. They're not just falling off, but if you need to, you can pop them through. And just to show you, they don't chew up the gloves on either side. So I think these are a great option. They come in various size packs, but I think these things are great. They come with a keyring. They also came with a little carabiner, which I chucked. That was probably the cheapest part of the deal here. But I just have them on a bigger carabiner here on my work bag, tool bag here. So anyway, nice grip on the sides here for holding on to the gloves themselves, or to the clip itself. I'm sorry. And to get a good purchase for opening them up. So yeah, you can just pull them out if you want to, or you can squeeze and do it without. But you can get it one-handed if you need to. And that's part of why I love these. So I think these are a great option for stowing your gloves and having them at hand, whether on a belt or on a tool bag.